Say goodbye to messy car interiors with the HOTO handheld car vacuum cleaner, a sleek powerhouse built for people who love a spotless ride. This thing looks like a gadget out of a sci-fi movie, but it's pure cleaning muscle in disguise. The compact size hides a surprisingly strong suction system that effortlessly picks up dust, crumbs, and even stubborn pet hair. Whether it's your dashboard, seats, or cup holders, the HOTO handles it all with ease. No tangled cords, no heavy lifting. It charges fast through USB-C, and its modern matte design actually makes you want to clean. With an ergonomic grip and ultra-quiet operation, it's the perfect mix of performance and style. If you're the type who can't stand a dusty car or wants pro-level detailing on the go, this vacuum is your new best friend. Small, powerful, and beautifully made, it's one of those tools you'll end up using more than you expected. This isn't your average flashlight. It's a portable powerhouse from Worx's legendary PowerShare lineup. The WX027L.9 runs on the same 20-volt batteries that power their drills and saws, which means long runtime, crazy brightness, and total reliability. It packs multiple light modes, so whether you're working under the hood, camping in the woods, or just surviving a blackout, you can instantly switch between a focused beam or a broad floodlight. Built rugged and ready for tough environments, this flashlight's pivoting head lets you direct light exactly where you need it, hands-free. Add in the sturdy grip and battery compatibility across your Worx tools, and you've got an all-purpose light designed for real-world jobs. It's not just illumination, it's confidence in your hand when the lights go out or the work gets rough. Every home or garage needs a reliable drill, and this 8-volt cordless drill kit delivers everything you need in one compact package. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, but don't let that fool you. It's got serious torque for driving screws, drilling holes, or tackling weekend DIY projects. The kit includes a full range of bits and accessories neatly organized, so you can grab and go without fumbling through your toolbox. It features a quick charge system, ergonomic grip, and LED work light. Perfect for tight or dark spaces. Whether you're hanging shelves, fixing furniture, or doing light repairs, this kit gives you the freedom to work anywhere without dragging around extension cords. Simple, powerful, and built for convenience, this is the kind of tool that makes everyday projects feel effortless. The HITEKK green laser pointer isn't a toy. It's a high-precision tool for professionals, adventurers, and hobbyists who want extreme visibility and control. Its high-power beam can cut through fog, smoke, and daylight with ease, making it ideal for outdoor presentations, astronomy, or tactical signaling. The sleek metal build feels premium in hand, and it's engineered for durability, not one of those cheap pointers that give out after a week. It features adjustable focus and long-range capability, offering pinpoint accuracy even from hundreds of meters away. Whether you're guiding a stargazing group, testing line of sight, or just showing off some serious range, this laser pointer commands attention. It's small, stylish, and built like a tank, an ingenious tool that adds precision and fun to any setup. Meet the ultimate desk companion for every tinkerer and tech lover, the mini electric screwdriver 3.7 volts. This sleek little machine turns precision work into pure satisfaction. Whether you're repairing a laptop, adjusting eyeglasses, or building electronics, this driver gives you perfect torque with just the right speed. The magnetic bit storage and LED ring light make it easy to see and swap bits in tight corners. It's rechargeable, pocket-sized, and built to handle intricate jobs where bigger tools just can't reach. The aluminum alloy body feels premium, and the intuitive controls make it easy for anyone to use. Forget hand strain and stripped screws. This electric screwdriver delivers accuracy and control in a way that feels professional every single time. A must-have for anyone who loves fixing, building, or upgrading their own gear. The Worx 20-volt jaw saw isn't your average chainsaw. It's a game changer for anyone who wants the power to cut safely without the fear of kickback or flying debris. Designed with a fully enclosed jaw, this beast bites through limbs, branches, and small logs with a single squeeze. It runs on the same 20-volt PowerShare battery as your other Worx tools, meaning no cords, no gas, and no hassle. Perfect for backyard cleanup or storm recovery. It's fast, safe, and surprisingly quiet. Unlike traditional chainsaws that can feel intimidating, the Jawsaw's scissor-style grip gives you control and confidence. Its auto-tension and self-lubricating chain make maintenance effortless, so you spend less time fiddling and more time cutting. Whether you're trimming trees, clearing brush, or cutting firewood, this thing eats through wood like a hungry beast and keeps your hands out of danger. A true innovation in cutting power. If you've ever worked in a tight space and wished for an extra hand, the Oben cordless ratchet wrench answers that call. This 12-volt powerhouse takes all the effort out of loosening or tightening bolts with its smooth, high-torque motor. No more wrist strain or stripped bolts. Just press the trigger and watch the wrench do the heavy lifting. It's ideal for car maintenance, mechanical work, and DIY projects where precision matters. The kit includes everything you need: multiple sockets, a fast-charging battery, and a sturdy carry case for easy storage. Built for durability with a lightweight design, it's perfect for pros and weekend tinkerers alike. The LED light on the head keeps your workspace visible even in dark corners under the hood. Once you use it, you'll never go back to manual ratcheting again. It's that efficient. When accuracy meets convenience, you get this brilliant laser-level line tool. Whether you're hanging shelves, aligning tiles, or setting up your home office, this device ensures your lines are perfectly straight every time. With its self-lulling system and bright red or green beam, it's visible even in well-lit rooms. Forget the old bubble levels. This tool turns every job into a precision project. Compact, easy to mount, and simple to operate, it's the kind of gadget that instantly upgrades your DIY game. It even features multiple modes, letting you project vertical, horizontal, or cross lines with a single switch. Professionals love it for its accuracy, and homeowners love it for its ease. From framing to picture hanging, this laser level gives your work that pro finish that's hard to beat. This DeWalt 20-volt Max XR jigsaw is a masterpiece of precision and power, built for craftsmen who demand control. Running on DeWalt's 20-volt battery platform, it delivers smooth, accurate cuts through wood, metal, and plastic, all without the hassle of cords. The variable speed trigger gives you perfect control, and the brushless motor ensures longer life and efficiency. It feels solid, balanced, and built to last. Just what you'd expect from DeWalt. The tool-free blade change system makes swapping blades fast and easy, while the adjustable shoe adds versatility for angled cuts. Whether you're building furniture, cutting flooring, or working on a remodel, this jigsaw delivers professional-grade results every time. It's rugged, dependable, and engineered to make clean cuts look effortless. Once you try it, it'll earn a permanent spot in your toolkit. 6-inch portable electric chainsaw. The mini cordless chainsaw may be small, but it packs a serious punch. With a 6-inch high-efficiency bar and a powerful motor, it slices through branches and logs like butter. Its compact body makes it perfect for one-handed use, giving you complete control and comfort. Ideal for garden trimming, firewood cutting, or clearing brush, this chainsaw turns big jobs into light work. Equipped with rechargeable batteries, a safety lock, and automatic lubrication, it's built for reliability and ease. No gas, no pull start, no noise. Just instant cutting power at your fingertips. It's lightweight enough for anyone to handle, yet tough enough for real outdoor work. This is the go-to tool for anyone who wants professional results without lugging around a full-size chainsaw. The GV Life drywall sander takes the pain out of smoothing walls and ceilings. With a powerful motor and extendable handle, it lets you reach high spots without ladders or fatigue. Its built-in vacuum system sucks up dust as you work, keeping the air clean and saving you hours of cleanup. Whether you're prepping a room for paint or refinishing old walls, this tool makes sanding fast, clean, and precise. The adjustable speed control gives you the flexibility to tackle any surface, from rough patches to fine finishing. It folds for easy storage, includes multiple sanding discs, and runs smooth without vibration. This is the kind of pro-level gear that turns frustrating jobs into satisfying results. If you've ever dreaded sanding, this machine will completely change your mind. The Tesslong endoscope is like giving your eyes superpowers. It lets you see where no flashlight or mirror can reach. With its ultra-slim camera and bright LED lighting, this tool reveals the hidden world inside pipes, engines, and tight corners. Whether you're a mechanic diagnosing engine issues or a DIYer fixing a clogged drain, this borescope saves time and frustration by showing you exactly what's happening in real time. The high-resolution camera delivers crisp images straight to your phone or screen, and the flexible cable lets you twist and maneuver into impossible angles. It's waterproof, durable, and designed for tough environments. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever worked blind before. For inspections, repairs, or just pure curiosity, this Tesslong scope is one seriously clever gadget. Forget dropping screws and nails. The Binya Tool's magnetic wristband keeps every little piece right where you need it. This thing is a small but mighty game changer for anyone who works with tools. Lined with strong embedded magnets, it turns your wrist into a portable parts tray, holding screws, bolts, and drill bits securely while you work. No more searching the floor or digging through pockets. Made from breathable, durable material with an adjustable strap, it's comfortable to wear all day, whether you're building furniture, fixing electronics, or doing auto repairs. It's one of those tools that seems simple, but completely transforms how efficiently you work. Once you strap it on, you'll never want to go back. It's like having an extra hand that never complains. With its ultra-sharp, pull-stroke blade, it cuts cleaner and faster than traditional push saws, giving you smooth edges with minimal effort. Perfect for trimming wood, cutting dowels, or crafting fine joints, it combines traditional Japanese craftsmanship with modern ergonomic design. You can actually feel the control in every motion. Its lightweight handle and flexible blade make it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists who demand accuracy. Whether you're in your garage workshop or on a construction site, this saw handles delicate cuts and deep grooves like a pro. Once you experience how effortlessly it glides through wood, your old saw will feel ancient. Pure precision, pure satisfaction. If you've ever seen that dreaded check engine light pop up, the Ansell AD310 is the tool that finally puts you in control. This OBD2 scanner reads and clears error codes on most vehicles made after 1996, giving you instant feedback on what's wrong, without paying a mechanic just to diagnose it. Plug it in, read the data, and you'll know whether it's a minor issue or something serious. The screen is bright and easy to read, and the menu is simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for pros. It works right out of the box. No batteries or apps needed, just pure plug-and-play diagnostics. Whether you're maintaining your own car or checking used vehicles before buying, the AD310 saves time, money, and frustration. It's like having a mini mechanic in your glove box. The 8-inch heavy-duty carpet cutter is built for precision, power, and comfort. Designed to glide through carpet, vinyl, and thick materials like butter, this tool gives you clean edges and smooth control every time. The sharp replaceable blades and ergonomic handle make long cutting sessions easy on your hands. No slipping, no tearing, no jagged cuts. It's a favorite among flooring professionals and DIYers alike because it's dependable, durable, and incredibly satisfying to use. Whether you're installing new carpet, trimming mats, or working on custom projects, this cutter delivers pro-level performance. One slice and you'll see why it's a must-have in every serious toolkit. Sharp, steady, and built to last. When it's time to wrestle with round timber or pipes, the Lumberjack Tools log lock holder turns chaos into control. Built tough for heavy-duty work, this vise grips logs, poles, and pipes firmly so you can cut, carve, or saw with total confidence. No more rolling wood, slipping clamps, or unsafe setups. This beast locks everything in place and keeps your hands free to focus on precision. It's made from solid steel with a rugged design built to handle outdoor abuse and workshop punishment. The quick clamp mechanism saves setup time, and its adjustable jaws make it perfect for everything from firewood prep to woodworking projects. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. The kind of tool that turns risky jobs into smooth, one-man operations. The Worx contour gauge is the secret weapon for perfect fitting every time. Whether you're cutting flooring around pipes, shaping tiles around corners, or tracing irregular edges, this gauge captures the exact shape in seconds. Just press it against any surface, lock it in place, and trace your cut. No guessing, no measuring errors. It's one of those "why didn't I get this sooner" tools that make DIY life easier. Its durable ABS build and metal locking mechanism keep your measurements precise and secure, even for tricky angles. Compact and easy to use, it's perfect for carpenters, plumbers, and anyone who values accuracy. If you've ever struggled with uneven walls or odd-shaped trims, this tool eliminates the frustration. Pure precision at your fingertips. The Husqvarna Leaf Blaster 350IB is a monster of modern yard tech. Lightweight, cordless, and powerful enough to blast away stubborn leaves like they're nothing. With its brushless motor and 200 mph wind speed, it clears driveways, decks, and lawns faster than any rake ever could. Plus, it runs on the Husqvarna 40-volt battery platform, giving you long runtime and zero fumes or pull starts. It's whisper quiet, perfectly balanced, and built with a comfortable grip that makes long cleanup jobs feel effortless. The variable speed trigger and boost mode give you total control, whether you're clearing grass clippings or wet leaves after a storm. This isn't just a blower, it's a precision power tool that turns yard work into a breeze. Clean, green, and built like a tank, it's Husqvarna engineering at its best. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed these ingenious tools and found something that'll make your next project easier, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome gear like this. Stay sharp, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one.